Okay, welcome back. 10th B geometry class. Constructions in circle. How much I have done, that is in the syllabus. Which the sums I have not done on a board, that sums are not in the syllabus. So there are some cancellation. That PDF also I will send. So try. Close the video. Question number 1. Chapter number 4, 4.1. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN. ABBCCA given. Five point five, 6, 4.5, and it is given that BC by MN is equal to 5 by 4. This method you will do when no alphabets are equal. ABC, LMN. ABC 3 alphabet different, LMN 3 alphabets are different. Now triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN. So first, second, third, first. Heart method. AB, BC, CA. LM, MN, NN. AB 5.5, 6, 4.5. And overall it is given 4 by 5. That is LM, MN, NN. Now take this and this. So LM is equal to 4 into 5.5 divided by 5. MN is equal to this. 6 into 4 divided by 5. LN, this and this, cross product. 4.5 to 4 divided by 5. This 11 for the 44. 6 for the 24 divided by 5. Any number divided by 5 means double the number. 24 double 48. 5 9s are 9 4s are. Correct. Now we got these three. So both the triangle you have to draw rough. This is ABC, this is PQR. So AB 5.5, BC 6, 4.5, LM 4.5, LM sorry. LM 4.4, 4.4, 4.8, 3.6. Now by SSS method, you have to complete both the triangle. You have to draw both the triangle, not only single. So base BC 6 centimeter. Base MN, this is 6 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter. Now from here B to A 5.5, from M to L 4.4, 1 2. Now C to A 4.5. Now from N to L 3.6. Join that. Correct. So 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, and 1 mark for the calculation. Total 3 marks will be there for this. In a different similarity test you have to do. Next triangle is also 3 sides are given. Rest of 3 you have to find out. Now in third, this is first, second is exactly the same. Third, triangle RST XYZ. RST 3 alphabet different, XYZ 3 alphabet different. S angle given, S angle. So angle S congruent to angle is equal to थोड़ा समारी वापस लाया मैं. You come at early, no अच्छा. RS is equal to 4.5 centimeter. ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. So and the ratio also given. RS by XY 3/5. Wait. This is very good. Wait, just wait. Check now. Check now, बेटा. Now it is clear. Now RS ST TR first, second, second, third, third, first. First, second, second, third, third, first. XY, YZ, ZX. And that is given 3 by 5. Thus it is clear beta now, because on my screen it is very clear. Smith, no one is replying beta. What? No, because video is. Now check. My network is full beta. Now, from my side, frequency is also okay. Now, is it clear? Okay, and that is 3 by 5 and YZ. So now this and this cross product, XY is equal to 4.5 into 5 divided by 3. YZ is equal to this into this, cross product. USB connection is not working. Sure. Again and again it is going. Okay. So 15 threes are 15 fives are, so decimal always 0.1 0.1, 19 threes are, now 19 fives are 190 half, so 95 9.5. Now we have y angle YZ XY. YZ 9.5 centimeter, XY 7.5 centimeter. Measure angle Y is equal to 40 degree. So first draw rough. y 40 degree, yz 9.5 and xy 7.5. Now this time not by SSS, it is by SAS test. So first 9.5, then 40 degree from here. First draw the base 9.5 centimeter. From Y take 40 degree and Y to X is 7.5, so mark 7.5. Join this. This is not given, so SAS test. This from first information, second triangle you have to draw. We have to take it by proportionality. Sides are in proportion, angles are congruent, when triangles are similar. When points are equal, means here see, ABC 3 different alphabet, LMN 3 different alphabet, RST 3 different alphabet, XYZ 3 different alphabet. At that time you have to use similarity to property, which are that by segments are in sides are in proportion, angles are congruent. From that, and when one alphabet are equal, that two topic I will give you in the end. At the end we will do that. Now to very important point. To construct a single tangent and with using center and one without using center. I think it is clear now, okay? So to draw a tangent to the circle from a point, the point which is on the circle. For example, 3 centimeter radius is given. From the center, you have to draw one ray. So this is the center, P is the point on a circle. Now, less than radii, from point P, mark both the side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, more than radii, from here, upside, from here same, downside, from here, upside, from here, downside. Again I am explaining. Point number 1, draw the circle. Suppose it is given 3.3 cm. 3.3 cm you are drawing circle. Then from the center take one ray. So this intersection point you will get. That is a point on a circle. Now from that left, right. From here up, down. From here up, down. And this you have to join. the circle, take one ray, that is the intersection point. From that intersection point, left side, right side. From this, up, down, same. Up, down, these four are of the same measurement. This is perpendicular. This all you have to mark very neat and clear. Now single tangent without using center. Again I am giving you the idea. Draw the circle. From here, one line. From this, left, right. From this, up, down. From this, up, down. Join this. You will get tangent. Now, they will ask to draw one tangent from a point on the circle without using center. So 3 centimeter, suppose it is given 3 centimeter. Then without taking any measurement, just draw one triangle. Correct. Now we will use inscribe angle theorem to draw the tangent from this. This is P, this is Q, this is R. Now from this point we have to draw this much Q angle here. So from this Q point, just give the arc. From here, 1. From here also 1. Again I am planning. From here 1. From here 1. Same. From P and Q. From Q inside. From P outside. Now from here to here, just measurement. Take just this much measurement you have to take. Now from this intersection to this intersection, same this intersection to this intersection. 1, 2. First 1, 2. Now this much gain. 1, 2. Now that you have to join with this, and you have to show that this equal to this. If these two are equal, then it will be the tangent. So here we are using inscribe angle theorem. In this there will be no instruction that how to draw single tangent to the circle. Here special instruction will be there without using center. Again I am repeating that same. Without using center to draw single tangent. Dear student, this chapter is very easy. Why? Scoring and easy. Why? Number 1, no formula. Number 2, no calculation. Number 3, no proof, no reason. Only you have to draw the diagram, you will get marks. Your paper will be overall 60 marks. Compulsory is 40. And from that around 10 to 12 marks they will ask for the diagram, this construction. So simply you have to draw and to grab the mark. So be careful and do lots of practice in this, then only you will get correct diagram. So draw the circle. They will give the instruction without using center. So this center we are using just for circle. Then we will not touch. Then from here one triangle pointed towards right, my right. This you can say ABC. Now from A and B, same arc you have to mark. From A outside, from B only inside, from B inside, from A outside. Now from B you have taken this arc, so this much and this much. You have to take the measurement. See this. From here you have to cut, or from here you can cut here. So this much length you will get on a rounder. Now from here already one point is there. So to get second point you just cut here, and that point with this triangle point you have to join. So these two diagrams shows that to draw highly preferring this. Now to MCQ, very important MCQ from this chapter. They will ask how many tangents we can draw to the circle from a point on a circle. This is a circle. This is one point is given. To the circle, from a point on a circle, how many tangents we can draw? We will say only one. From on the circle point is given, we have to draw tangent. How many you can draw? One. Diagram no need to draw. They will ask the question, you have to select from the MCQ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to select one. Now on, now out. There is a point outside the circle. How many tangents you can draw? So from this, two tangents you can draw. Follow? On a circle, you can draw on only single tangent. Outside the circle, when point is given, you can draw two tangents. And that in circle we have learned that this tangent segment A2 x, A2 y are congruent. So remember these two sentences. If a point is on a circle, you can draw only one tangent. If a point is outside the circle, you can draw two tangents. That you have to select from MCQ. So I am extremely sorry for the changing of this timing.